So hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new, or if you're old even, I usually just make travel vlogs. But after looking through everything, I have found 3 bags worth full of Star Wars toys from when I was little, and you're looking at one of them now. So upcoming in this is all the Star Wars stuff I found, which is nearly 40 years old. Unbelievable. 1983. So what's that, 35 years old? 83, 93? Yeah, 35 years old. And all I'm after really is, what do I do with it? Where do I sell it? Do people who collect stuff like this, are you interested? If you could let me know how much it's worth, where do I go to sell everything? Yep. So let's start with this X-Wing fighter vehicle from Return of the Jedi. As you can see, the box isn't in great condition. It's sellotaped up on the sides and on the back there. Le Retour du Jedi, is that French? Includes labels to create a battle damage look. And figures are not included, by the way. And here it is. It is in fantastic condition, this X-Wing fighter. All the stickers I put on when I was a young boy, probably 8 or 9 years old. Like I say, it says 83 on the label, so I presume that's when I got it. I can't remember if I was 8. I remember playing with them all though, because I absolutely loved them. And as you can see here, we have a feature. Luke sits in there. I don't have that Luke figure. I have lots more stuff coming up on this video, so make sure you stay tuned for everything else. So yeah, opens and closes to sit Luke in there or whatever you want. So this is pretty hard to do with one hand, but when it's fine, you see I've got all 4 guns on it, all still there. You press R2-D2's head and the wings go up and down. Now if you want to get the wings to stay up, this is going to be hard, but when it's in that position, you see that switch there? See if I can do it. You just switch it up and then the wings stay up, like so. So you press R2-D2's head for the wings to go up and down, and if you want them staying up, then you just hold that. If you want the wings going back down, you just move it and the wings go back down. So yeah, everybody, if you could help me, what do I do with this? Where do I go to sell it? How much is it worth? It's the box. There's the X-Wing fighter. It's an original, absolutely original, here in England when I was a little boy, and I'm now 43, so yeah, if you could all help me, I would really, really appreciate that. Thank you very much. There's lots more to come, so stay tuned. That's the X-Wing fighter vehicle from Return of the Jedi, 1983. Also, just so you know, I've been in the box, and we have the instructions as well. Lucasfilm 83. What to do and what I've just told you there, what it does. Shakes the wings and goes back together. Yeah. So the instructions are in there as well. As you can see, we have a Scout Walker vehicle. The box has seen better days, as you can see, but the box is still there. Le Retour du Jedi Scout Walker vehicle. Ripped there, but I've took it out of the box and there it is. We have all the guns on it. The hatch opens at the top. Look inside. You can stick an action figure through there. Or you can lift it up. Moves around. So I think I've had this since 1983, I think, something like that. I'm not sure. This is what I'm hoping for. People can tell me stuff, because I really can't remember. The button at the bottom there, see the button on the back there? That's the walking legs. So yeah, that is the Scout Walker vehicle from Return of the Jedi. Fantastic. Many hours of playing with that, and I can't believe I've still got it. Also, inside the Scout Walker vehicle box was this. So pretty good condition. Star Wars little booklet. Also gargoyles over there. Total Justice Crime Squad. Beast Wars. Tonka. Yeah, this was also inside it. So next is this, the Snai, Snootles and the Rebo band. I've got the flash on because it's a bit dark in here, so sorry about the little glare. But yeah, again, this is from the Return of the Jedi. This box is in really good condition actually. There's a little tear there, as you can see. The side, a little damage, but you've got to remember 83, 93, 03. This is 30 odd years old, this. 35, nearly 40 years old. And on the back it tells you all the figures. That's how they're meant to look. And here they are. As you can see, they're in great condition. The box is in great condition, so again, how much is it worth? Are you interested in it? Can you advise me where to go to sell them? Yeah, this is in great condition. I can't even remember playing with this, if I'm honest, when I was younger. That's the band, the Psy Snootles and the Rebo band. I think the only thing I've got missing is one microphone stand there. There, but I've got everything else. Yeah, so that's fantastic. So if you could help me out with this, message me or comment below would be best. And just advise me if you could, please, everybody. Thank you very much. The Psy Snootles and the Rebo band. I also found this in one of the boxes, which is telling you everything for the Return of the Jedi. It's a huge poster, as you can see. It's found. Tells you everything that's there, including some of these figures which I have, which you'll see soon, or you've already seen, depending on what order I put it in. The Falcon, the Interceptor. I have that. You've either seen it or you will be seeing it in a minute. There's all the figures. I have some of them. Again, you've either seen it or you will be seeing it. So yeah, this poster as well. Not really sure what that came with. Maybe the X-Wing, do you reckon? Yeah, the X-Wing. Oh no, that's a B-Wing. So there, it's brilliant. And a big Jabba the Hutt in the corner. So next we have the Speeder Bike. The Star Wars Last Jedi Speeder Bike. Action figures sold separately. But I actually managed to get those figures, so I have it set up with it. As you can see, the box is in okay condition, so it's 40 years old. I'm not really sure what condition grey is, I presume. With action speed flaps. Also there. Okay, so that's the box for it. As you can see, there's something inside. Let's have a look. This is what was inside. 1983 again. This is original 1983. So what we're on now, 83, 93, 03, 13, 35 years old this. And you have to remember, I played with it. My son played with it as well when he was born. So yeah, and then we move on to the figures, which are right here. Oh, just stop the box. There's the Speeder Bike. Right, I've got to admit, I've just opened this for the first time in ages. So I bought those figures separately because, as you see on there, it says figures are sold separately. Now, when I've been putting it together, I've just realised the Ewok is missing his staff. I can't find it anyway, it must have been lost. And guttingly most of all, which might knock the price again, if anyone can help with the price and where to go to sell this, because I have no idea at all, is this Speeder Bike is in great condition, and I'll show you how it explodes in a minute by pressing that button. I have the rider trooper there, I can't remember what they're called, but I can't find the handles. Look, the handles slip in there, and on the other side for him to hold in his hands. I can't find the handles anywhere, so that is a shame. Somebody might have them, but anyway, this has had many hours of play. This has had many hours of play, and as you can see, it's going along. And to destroy him, you press this where my thumb is. You ready? Ooh, and it explodes the Speeder Bike, and that's what you're left with. The Ewok on the floor, and the Stormtrooper like that. It's very easy to put back together. That just clips on there, and then front ones just clip in there. So that's the Speeder Bike. If anyone could help again, I would really, really appreciate it. Thank you very much. So finally we're on to all the figures. Let's go down there. I'm taking it off the back of the Rebo band box. It's got all the figures on it, as you can see, and the numbers. So we'll start with this one, which is number 17 on the Return of the Jedi ones. It's the Emperor's Royal Guard. All these are in great condition, by the way. They don't have the boxes, but again, all these are original from when I was a little boy. I'm 43 now, so when I was 8 years old I got these. This is What's this? Number 14. Luke Skywalker Jedi Knight outfit. In great condition. As you see, at the front I've got 4 things. I'm not sure where they go. So maybe they should go with Luke or with Darth or whoever. I've just left in there. There's Darth Vader. The only thing with this is the handle to the lightsaber's broke off, but it still fits in his hand like that. And then we've got R2-D2. The blue thing on top of his head pops up and down. That's great, I love that one. And this one I can't find on it. I think it might be number 79, an Ewok warrior figure. I have the staff missing on this for that hand there, but I can't find it unless I don't think it's any of them. And onto this one, yeah, I can't seem to find what this one is either. I wonder if it should be one of them weapons. It looks like an Emperor's Guard or something maybe. This one I did find, so let me just focus on him for you while I find him. There he is, with a turban on. He is number 51, which is Dengar. I don't actually know who he is. The next one, I don't think it's on here, but I'm sure that's Lando Calrissian. That mask comes off, obviously. And there he is. Now this green one is number 7, a Rebel Commando. Again, I think I've got the right weapon. And this one, I'm gutted, I can't find the mask for it anywhere. It is Princess Leia, it's number 15. Oh no, it's not, it's a Boosh, sorry. It's a Boosh. Boosh. I can't find it anywhere, the head for it. There's a mask to go on it. I'm gutted. But yeah, there's all the figures. So that's it for Star Wars, all my Star Wars collection. Yeah, I would be extremely grateful if you could help me there anywhere. Of where to go with all this stuff. How much is it worth? Are you interested? What sites do I use to sell it? Who could I contact? If you could leave everything in the description below. Yeah, thank you very much. Like I say, I've just got it all off this list here, and it tells you all who they are. Oh, the battery going dead. Yeah, like I say, I got it all off this list here, and it tells you who they are there. Yeah, thank you very much, everybody. That's my Star Wars collection of 35 years from when I was an 8-year-old boy. Fantastic. Thank you, everybody. Let's end with Luke and Darth Vader and R2. Goodbye, everybody.